My name is Francois Schneider. I work now in Barcelona at the University of Barcelona, the Autonomous University. I'm also a member of Research on Degrowth, and we have organized different conferences on the subject of degrowth, which has created lots of debates here in the conference because it is a fundamental subject right now. We have basically lost 30 years after the report of the Club of Rome, thinking that we would solve basically all the problems, all the social and economic problems and the ecological problems with combining eco-efficiency or efficiency with economic growth. And we had, actually, this tandem has been going on, and this didn't solve the problem. And now I see that we're discussing all the time the fact that, always problems are transferred from one to the other, and what can we do? And obviously, we have to deal with this problem first of what type of efficiency we choose, because there are some that create, that suppress limit, and we have to deal also with economic growth. On economic, not understood as GDP per se. We have to challenge the measure of GDP and think in a multidimensional way. And this is the idea, because it's not possible to continue like that. Gibbons had shown, already in 1865, that we would have a problem with efficiency. It's not efficiency per se which is the problem, but it is the enormous rebound effect that can happen. And so what is degrowth? It has to deal with the level of infrastructure that we have, the quantity of the financial capacity that we have to exploit natural resources. It has to deal with the fact that we should reduce the amount of natural resources that we extract, and so the zones that we extract. It has to deal with work sharing, with giving rights to share things, and it is a very, very important subject at this point. We need. It's like we live right now. I think a lot of people are still living with this idea that we're going to have an immaterial growth, an immaterial growth which would be based on immaterial services that would give to each other, and that would be balanced. And this is not the case. Usually, it's not balanced and creates a rebound effect.